showing you how to fix a Microsoft phone not detecting its SIM card even though it has one. So this is my grandpa's right here and I'm gonna be fixing it. So first, take off the cover. Sorry for doing it with one hand, but the other hand is holding the phone. And here you can see this is the battery. In case you need to fix that, you take it out. The easiest way is from here. So you take out the battery and just quickly swipe it so there's no dust here. But the thing we're looking for is the SIM card. This thing right here, it even has SIM written on it. But here is the SIM card. I'm quickly gonna take it out so that you don't see any numbers on the SIM card. Okay, so now as you can see it's quite scratched. It's got some stuff in it, so I'm gonna clean it. It's quite clean now. So what you want to do is you see this cut corner right here and you put it in like this with the cut corner facing here. You have this drawing to help you. So I'm gonna put it in. Also hide the email number. And now you put in the battery. Mind these things here. They need to match. They need to match with these things here. So you put it in like this with the Microsoft text in the left bottom corner. And now you close the cover. But you need to hold the button. You're gonna feel a buzz. Now we see Microsoft and now we press again and you can see it works. And it has the SIM card working, as you can see. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.